Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Broughton Primary from Westmoreland going up against Ocho Rios Primary from St. Anne. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier, we had the toss and Ocho Rios Primary won and decided to go first. So we begin with Ocho Rios Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. This is for Ocho Rios Primary. What is the name of the 5th book of the Bible?
Deuteronomy.
That is correct. Broughton, what is the 3rd book of the Bible's New Testament?
John.
Incorrect, it's Luke. Science, Ocho Rios. True or false? Rods in our eyes are not used to see color.
False.
Incorrect, it's true. Broughton, true or false? Lenses in our eyes cannot be used to focus light.
False.
That's correct. International affairs, Ocho Rios. Who is the Prime Minister of Grenada?
Justin Trudeau.
Incorrect, it's Dickon Mitchell. Broughton, who is the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Ocho Rios, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Dr. Ralph Gonsalves. English language. This is for Ocho Rios. How do you spell the word meet as used in this sentence? The football team will meet with the Prime Minister this year.
MEET.
Correct. Broughton. How do you spell the word stare as used in this sentence? The mother told her son not to stare at others.
STARE.
Correct. Television, Ocho Rios. In the original Disney Lion King animated movie, what is the name of Simba's girlfriend?
Rachel.
Incorrect, it's Nala. Broughton. In the original Disney Lion King animated movie, what is the name of Mufasa's evil brother?
Boomba.
Incorrect, it's Scar. General knowledge, Ocho Rios. The Gulf of Mexico is closest to which ocean?
Atlantic.
That is correct. Broughton, what is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific.
That is correct. Social studies, Ocho Rios. The Black Star Line is associated with which Jamaican national hero?
Marcus Garvey.
That's correct. Broughton, Jamaica's parliament is housed in a building named after which national hero?
Michael Manley.
Incorrect, it's George William Gordon. Music, Ocho Rios. Which of Bob Marley's sons led a children's group known as the Melody Makers?
Damian Marley.
Incorrect, Ziggy Marley. Broughton, which of Bob Marley's sons is known as Junior Gong?
Ziggy Marley.
Incorrect, it's Damian Marley. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Broughton Primary on 3 and Ocho Rios Primary on 4. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.